All right, the Billy bar. Again, you get the wireless receiver and the transmitter, and I'm going to show you it installed, and I'm going to show you the auto overload or auto resetting fuse feature in this thing. These are 4 wireless buttons to power anything, but what I want to show you today is the internal protection of it. So I have these 3 fans hooked up to one of the circuits, and they'll pull more than 30 amps, and you'll see it shut off while all the other ones will still work. So let me show you. So this here is the receiver module, and you can see it's got 2 plugs. It's got an external antenna jack, which we're going to use today because I have that plugged in on this Land Cruiser. So we're just going to plug the external antenna like that. Stick this into the mount. Just snap it in like that. And then we're going to plug in our 2 harnesses. So I've got the power harness here. Just going to plug that in like that. And I've got the output harness to all the light bars, fog lights, and air compressor. And then I have this one hooked with an external ammeter gauge to these fans so I can show you the reset. Okay, I got everything on. I've got to, you hear the compressor cycling. I'm going to turn on these fans and let it overload or trip the auto protection circuit. I got to hold the one because they don't pull enough amps all together. It's pulling about 52 amps right now. There, it just tripped. The fans are off, but you can see the other circuits are still on. When that thing cools down, the fans are going to come back on.
A few moments later.
And everything's cooled back down. These fans will be back on. There we go.